Good morning everyone. My name is Sachin Chaudhary, and today we are going to learn a very important topic from the unit of chemical bonding, that is VAC pair theory, means valence electron pair repulsion theory. So in order to explain the shape of molecule, a simple qualitative theory was proposed by Sedgwick and Powell in 1940. So basically, the VAC pair theory is based on the interaction of electron from the valence shell of center atom, and so the name is valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. So this theory explains how to 3D shape of molecule is formed, then how bonding and non-bonding electron repel each other, and how this repulsion result into the shape of molecule. So in this topic we will explore how to predict the shape of molecule, and also understand why some molecule are linear and some molecule are bent. So before we start to predict the shape of molecule, first we will see some basic rule of VAC pair theory. That is, the first rule of VAC pair theory: electron pair, that is bond pair as well as lone pair, are always try to stay as far apart as possible to minimize the repulsion between them. Then the second rule of VAC pair theory is Z is equal to 1 by 2. Then number of valence electron on central atom plus any negative charge on molecule minus any positive charge on molecule plus number of monovalent atom. ठीक है. So where Z क्या है? Z is equal to number of electron pair on molecule, which is equal to lone pair. इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर होते क्या है मोलेक्यूल पे? लोन पेयर प्लस बॉन्ड पेयर. So by using this formula, we can easily calculate the number of bond pair as well as number of lone pair on central present and central. Then अभी हम एक सेकंड रूप से टेबल बनाएंगे, उसके थ्रू हम अगर सेंट्रल मेटल एटम से नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने हैं और उसके हिसाब से उस मॉलिक्यूल की ज्योमेट्री क्या है वो देखेंगे. So this is Z, then geometry, then bond angle, then example के थ्रू समझेंगे. So if the value of Z, that is number of electron pair on molecule, is 2, then geometry is linear, okay, and bond angle is 180 degree. So this example is BeCl2. Then if the value of Z is 3, then the geometry is trigonal planar, and bond angle between the electron pair are 120 degree. An example is BF3. In similar way, if the value of Z is 4, then the geometry is tetrahedral and the bond angle between the electron pair are 109 degree approximately, and example is CH4. If the value of Z is 5, then the geometry is trigonal bipyramidal and the bond angle between electron pair are 120 degree and 90 degree. And a very good example is PCl5. Then if the value of Z is 6, then the geometry of molecule shows octahedral geometry, and bond angle between the electron pair are 90 degree. Then example is SH6. So these are some example. Then the third rule. Third rule is if the molecule contain no lone pair electron, if lone pair is 0 on central atom, then geometry of molecule is equal to the shape of molecule. Then fourth rule. So lone pair on electron, lone pair on central atom occupy more space. That's why the repulsion between the lone pair is maximum. Therefore, the order of repulsion is lone pair greater than lone pair bond pair greater than bond pair. Truly, if the central atom is electronegative, then it pull the bond pair of electron toward itself. So it increases the repulsion between them and also increases the bond angle. For example, in NH3 molecule and PH. Here the bond angle is 107 degree, while in PH3 here the bond angle is 93 degree. This happened due to the NH3 molecule, the central atom is more electronegative compared to phosphorus. That's why the repulsion between them is more and the bond angle is also more. Then sixth rule is multiple bond, that is double bond or triple bond, does not alter the geometry of molecule. For example, in BeCl2 both the bonded pair are single bond, and in CO2 molecule both the bonded pair are double bond. Still, the geometry of BeCl2 is linear and the geometry of CO2 is also linear. Then last rule. So repulsion is more if electron pair at 90 degree and decreases sharply with increasing bond angle. For example, in SF4 molecule, so geometry of trigonal bipyramidal shape. So in this molecule only 4 bond pair are present. So and one is lone pair. So the position of lone pair decided this rule. So according to this rule, the bond angle between this equatorial bond angle is 120 degree and axial, and this bond angle is 90 degree. So according to this rule, the lone pair is occupied in equatorial position, that is this position or this position or this position, any one of the position. Now we see some example of VAC pair theory and how to predict the shape of molecule. अभी तक हमने VAC पेयर के बेसिक रूल देखे, अभी हम एग्जांपल के थ्रू और अच्छे से VAC पेयर थ्योरी को सीखते हैं. सपोज CH4 NH3 and H2. So in first molecule central atom is carbon. So electronic configuration, which is atomic number, is 6. So electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. So this second orbital electron are valence electron. So according to our rule, that is Z is equal to 1 by 2. Number of valence electron on central atom is 2 plus 2 4, plus molecule पे कोई negative charge नहीं है 0, any positive charge nothing, that is also 0, plus number of monovalent atom attached. कितने monovalent atom है हमारे पास? 4. तो इसका वैल्यू आ जाएगा 4 plus 4 8, 8 divided by 2 comes to 4. So the value of Z is equal to 4. Means in CH4 molecule, all the electron pair are bond pair. There is no lone pair. So the geometry of molecule is tetrahedral, and bond angle between the bond pair is 109 degree. In the similar way, the atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Then by using this formula 1 by 2, number of valence electron on central atom is, that is second orbital electron, that is 2 plus 3 5, plus any negative charge nothing 0, any positive charge 0, and number of monovalent atom is 3. So 5 plus 3 8 divided by 2 comes to 4. So in NH3 molecule, total number of electron pair are 4, but here see only 3 bond pair are present. So Z is equal to lone pair plus bond pair. So we have 3 bond pair. Then out of 4 electron pair, 1 remaining is lone pair. So the geometry of molecule is, note of tetrahedral, and bond angle between the bond pair is 107 degrees. Then last example is oxygen. Oxygen atomic number 8. Then the electronic configuration of oxygen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Z is equal to 1 by 2. Number of valence electron on central atom is 2 plus 4 6, plus any negative charge 0, minus any positive charge 0, plus number of monovalent atom are 2, that is 6 plus 2 8, 8 divided by 2 2. Means in H2 molecule there are 4 electron pair. Out of 2 are bond pair and 2 are lone pair. So due to the value of number of electron pair of 4, the geometry of molecule is tetrahedral, that is O, H, H, and bond angle between these two bond pair is 104 degree. So see all these example, इन तीनों एग्जांपल में CH4, NH3 और H2 मॉलिक्यूल की ज्योमेट्री सेम है, ज्योमेट्री इज टेट्राहेड्रल बट शेप इज डिफरेंट. इन CH4 मॉलिक्यूल शेप इज टेट्राहेड्रल. क्यों? बिकॉज इसमें कोई भी लोन पेयर प्रेजेंट नहीं होगा. हमने रूल में पढ़ा था if lone pair on central atom is 0, then the geometry is same. तो इसकी ज्योमेट्री भी टेट्राहेड्रल और इसका शेप भी टेट्राहेड्रल. और बॉन्ड एंगल बिटवीन द बॉन्डेड टू बॉन्ड पेयर is 109 degree. Then in NH3 molecule, so in NH3 molecule there are 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. So due to presence of 1 lone pair, the repulsion between lone pair and bond pair is more, that result to compress the bond angle. So the bond angle comes to 107. So the molecule have tetrahedral geometry, but shape is not tetrahedral. Due to presence of one lone pair, the shape of molecule is pyramidal. And in last example, that is H2O, in this molecule there are 4 electron pair, out of which 2 are bond pair and 2 are lone pair. So due to presence of 2 lone pair, the repulsion between lone pair is more. So that's why due to presence of 2 lone pair, the bond get compressed compared to NH3 molecule, and the bond angle comes to 104 degree. So the geometry of molecule is tetrahedral, but shape is V shape or angular shape or bend shape. So the geometry, अभी तीनों एग्जांपल से हम ये कंक्लूजन निकाल सकते हैं कि अगर हमें ज्योमेट्री डिसाइड करनी है किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल की, तो हमें बॉन्ड पेयर एज वेल एज लोन पेयर को कंसीडर करना पड़ेगा। और अगर हमें शेप प्रेडिक्ट करना है किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल का, तो हम उसमें सिर्फ बॉन्ड पेयर ही कंसीडर करेंगे, लोन पेयर को कंसीडर नहीं करते। सो थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द बेसिक थिंग।